How to fix Instagram Reels not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram. So just check if you have the latest version of the application on a device or not. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back, and on the home screen we can just make a long press on the application and then tap on app info. Now it will lead us to a new page over here where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on it and then clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and then make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. As you do that, you can just go back and log into your Instagram application and look out for your Instagram Reels, and your issue might be fixed by now. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.